This is question number 3, exercise 11.2, class 7th, maths NCERT. This table question is find the missing value in this table. Base is given, height is given, area is given. Then in these quantities, one is missing, and this we are required to find out. In first one you can see height is missing, in B part base is missing, in C part base is missing, in D part height is missing. Now let us find out this one by one. Now let's solve it. Now in this question number 3, finding the missing values, or here I have drawn the table also, or you can see the table in the book also. B for base, H for height, A for area of the parallelogram. So base is 20 centimeter. In first one base is 20 centimeter and height is we are required to find, so here we will make question mark, and area is 246 centimeter square. Now you know that the formula of area of parallelogram, this is 246, it is given. So this is equal to base into height, 246. Now base is 20, height we don't know, so we will write it as same H, and then H is equal to 246 upon 20. Now we will cut these numbers by 2. This is 10, this is 1, 2, 3. Then in point we will write 12.3 centimeter. Then here you will fill 12.3 centimeter. Now this is third B part. Here base is not given, so base equals to question mark. Height is given, this is 15 centimeter, and area is 154.5 centimeter square. So we know that the area of parallelogram is base into height. So area is 154.5 and base is not given, so in place of base we will write B, and in place of H we will write 15. Then this 15 will go and divide, because it is in multiply, so it will be in divide, is equal to B. Now we will reduce it by 15 directly. Then this is 0.3. Then this is 10.3. So base is equal to 10.3 centimeter. So this we will fill here, 10.3 centimeter. Now this is C part. Base we are required to find, this is question mark. Height 8.4 centimeter and area 48.72 centimeter square. So area is equal to base into height. Area is 48.72. Base we are required to find, height 8.4. So base is equal to 48.72 upon 8.4. Now here this is, we are required to calculate it. Remove this point, multiply by 100, because this is after 2 points. It is after 1 point, then remove this point and write 10 upper side, because it is after one place. Now cut 0 by 0. Now this 84 and this is 4872. Now this is to be removed. We will remove it by 2. This is 42 and then this is 2436. Then again this is 21 and this is 1218. Now these both can be cut by, this can be cut by 21 directly. 21 5s are 105, 16 left, then 168, then this is 8s are. So answer is 58 upon 10. So we can write it as 5.8 centimeter. So here this you will fill here 5.8 centimeter. This is third D part. Here you can see base is 15.6 centimeter. Height is not given, so in place of height we will write question mark. And area, this is 16.38 centimeter square. You know that the formula of area of parallelogram, this is base into height. So here area is 16.38 and base is 15.6 into height. Now this 16.38 and this 15.6 will go in divide. Now remove this decimal, this will be 10, and remove this decimal, this will be 100. Now remove 0 by 0. Now you can cut both the numbers by 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12, 7s are 42 and 3s are 18. Now reduce both of them by 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 2s are 26 and 1s are. Then here you can see this 2 can cut 21 in point, so this is 10.5. Now here height is equal to 10.5 upon 10. So we can write as 1.05 centimeter.